Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Wonder Cookroom. In today's video we are going to make Bhindi Gosht or Okra with meat. Please like the video and share it with your friends. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. Starting off with what you need in the recipe. First of all, we require our main ingredient, the okras. We will take 1 kg of okras, wash them and cut them into 1-inch pieces. Our second main ingredient are onions. I took 1 kg of onions for 1 kg of okras. Make sure that you cut them in slices like I have done. This is called julienne style. Peel off the outer part of the onion, wash it, cut it from the mid, and then cut it vertically like I have done so in thin slices. Next we would be taking 1 kg of meat, washed and cut properly. Moving on to the spices, we would be needing 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric. You can take everything according to your taste. Furthermore, we would be taking 4 to 5 black pepper whole, 1 black cardamom and 2 clove pieces, and also a teaspoon of dried coriander. Take a handful of peeled garlic. Don't forget to wash it before use. Next we would take 1/4 kg or 2 to 3 tomatoes and cut them in vertical slices. Next we would be needing 3 to 5 green chilies cut from mid. You can take everything as per your need or desire. Next we would be moving on to the making process. At first we would be frying our okras. Do not fry it too much, just make it a little brownish and then you are done. Strain it and keep it aside. Next you will be taking a pressure cooker. In it add 2 cups of water, then add 1 kg of the meat and then 2 handful of sliced onions, and then add all the spices, salt, red chili powder and turmeric, including the black cardamom, cloves, add black pepper seeds, and then add all the garlic cloves after washing them. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil so that our meat cooks well. Give pressure for 5 minutes and see if the meat is fully cooked. Once you think that the pressure was enough and your meat is fully cooked, take off the lid and cook it until the water is dried and you can see the oil on top. And then we would add the tomatoes, cut 4 pieces each and put it in. We would cook it until the tomatoes are mashed and mixed with the meat, and then add half a cup of oil. You can add it when you add the tomatoes, but it's your choice when you add it. And now we would cook it and we would slightly splash it with water time to time so that it does not stick to the pressure cooker. Now for like 10 to 15 minutes we would keep on cooking it and adding water little by little and stirring it continuously so that it does not stick to the pressure cooker or it would give a burnt taste. Dry the water and when you see the oil, it is done. Once you think the water is dried and oil is seen on the sides, add all the onions and mix it well. Now put on the lid for 10 minutes and leave it on a low flame so that the onions are cooked well. They would leave water and then you would take off the lid and dry it all and then add fried okra to this, and then you would close the lid after mixing it and leave it for 5 minutes on low heat. And now your Bhindi Gosht aka okra with meat is ready to serve and eat. I hope you all liked today's recipe. Do give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below what you think of it. Also share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.